Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this section we will learn about security and the optimization of websites. So the first thing is that the in the optimization is definitely the UI interface. So the UI plays a very important role in website optimization, or for SEO it's very important. So UI means that how our website will look like on the desktop, on the Mac, or on the mobiles. So here you can see that on desktop this is a view, and you can see a beautiful logo, search, and I'm happy with this. Also the fonts are very important, so fonts should be user friendly and readable. Then after that the sections, the designs should be in a nice manner, so that our look or UI user interface of our website should be nice. And you can see that everything looks nice on the desktop. So if we switch our website to the Mac, let's see what will happen. So let's go to the inspect, and when we go to inspect we will have the different views. So here you can see that on this section, if we click here, you can see that now we have the mobile view. Okay, and this view is also very nice. You can see that we have a logo, we have a search icon, we can search, we have a nice menu. Okay, that is also user friendly. And then we have a nice slider, we have the articles, and you can see that articles are in a proper way on the mobile. And we have the nice border space mark. Actually this is really important, that your website should look beautiful on the desktop and on mobiles as well. And for all the devices you can actually compare your website. And now you can see that we have switched our website to the Mac system. Okay, just for the Mac devices. And as you can see that on the Mac devices it looks also good. We have search in the middle menu, and this is logo and the menu, and then we have a big slider. Okay, and in the Mac you will see a bigger slider, and then the articles display, and you can see two articles here and two articles. So it will adapt the different devices. So it is actually the a property of a Solidad theme which we have used for creating this website. And this theme is very nice. So if you don't use a Solidad, or you create your own website, then you should actually design your website according to all the devices. And that's it for this video. User interface is very important, and in next video we'll move further, and we will discuss about the speed optimization of the website, and we will compare our website speed.